So this is Padlet. It's an interactive cork board, notice board, classroom board, whatever you want to use for yourself and your students to be able to communicate while you are not with them. Basically, you can set it up with a name, you log in, you can have different layouts. So this I've done a shelf, so just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it's to keep a track of the work we're doing every day. The main thing about Padlet is that you just need an email to set it up, and you can communicate this way from any location. Say, for example, if you want to post something, so say it's Friday and you want to post something today. So you click on your post area and you click on your options, and you see that you can upload files from your computer, which I have done here, instructions. There's a link to any websites you want them to look at. Google search, snap, film. You can include a short film of something you want them to watch. Voice, screen recording. You can draw if you want to, and add places for them to visit. So basically you can keep all of the material for your classes here, and it saves it, and it never, you never lose any of the work. People can use this for homework, and they can talk to each other. Now you have settings that you can decide how you want this to work. You have a title, description, there's a Padlet address that people are invited to via email or Gmail. You have a facility, I'll just move this over here, sorry, you can see that, to change the wallpaper at any time. Do that, whatever you like. You can just keep it simple with a solid color. You have a color scheme, the font, attribution. If you have this on, you will see who has posted. If you take it off, it's anonymous. So up to you whether you want it anonymous or not. I have it so that the first post is first, but you can change it so that the most recent post is on top. Comments can be on or off depending on what you want your learners to do. Filter profanity is not necessary really, but just in case we have it on. So we save that. So you have, once you have your display and your settings set up, you then can invite people. It's here. Nope, sorry, that's the account here. Yeah. So you go to invite. Now I have invited 2 people who are trying this out with me. But if they are set up in Padlet, you just type in the name. So, say for example, I know this lady. So I click on her. She is invited. She will receive a link to join Padlet. And then she will be able to post up everything. Now, this might be handy when you are in a distance learning situation and you have to communicate with your learners and they need something to look at on the screen while you're talking to them. This would be one way of doing it. I used to use it in the conversation classes. For example, we could message each other about class times. We could send links. The learners were happy to send in some designs, talk about location of things that we were going to do. Basically, we've just kept everything here in one place. Things that might have come up in class or questions, learners can answer for each other as well. So this is a very safe place to interact with a small group of learners. I suggest you try it out. Thank you.